channel. I am Patra Denise, produced by Jenny Production. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey, yeah, I'm so excited to be back with this review. I haven't seen many reviews on this, and I'm surprised because it is by the one and the only Miss Cardi B. All right, Cardi B dropped a line of sneakers with Reebok, so it's Cardi B by Reebok, and I'm definitely a fan of Cardi B's come up. I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's not how you start, it's how you finish, and that's on period. Like, definitely on period. So I do want to say I am using I do want to say that I'm using my new 12 Pro Max to record this video. I want to try it out, see how it works. So y'all comment down below on what y'all think on the video at the end, because you know I'm really digging the quality of the front facing camera, and that's something that my camera does not have. I have the Sony a6000, and so I'm really digging just, you know, the quality of the front facing camera. So let's get into it, right? This is the box, okay? It, as you can see, it has the Reebok symbol, then like a slash, and it says Cardi B. I bought these for my baby sneakerhead, which is my baby daughter, or my toddler, and I wanted to, you know, see them. I was teeter-tottering between getting me some because I really like the red ones, and I don't have many red sneakers. So I was like, should I get them? I said, you know what? I'm going to review the kid version first, toddler version, and then we'll go from there, okay? So this is what the box looks like, all right? I really like the way the box looks. It came packaged like this. Normally in toddler shoes, the lid is connected to the bottom of the box, and this, the lid just comes right off, okay? So I really like that part. I'm not silly, but I definitely like the black box. You know how she comes through with the black box. She definitely could have went, you know, gray, whatever. But the black box is definitely sleek. It's sexy. It's cute. And I'm not saying that my 3-year-old would be sexy, but I'm saying like for the adults or whatever. But I definitely think it's cute. So let's get this box open. Okay. So it also has Cardi B here, which I'm just now seeing. It's Cardi B there. I don't think it has Cardi B on anywhere else on the box. Okay. Oh, it has it on this side too. It has it on this side. Can y'all see that? It says Cardi B. Okay. So I'm gonna take the lid off. So it's definitely packaged really well. I can't complain about how it was packaged. It was packaged really well for the lid to come off like that. And so I'm just gonna open that thing right up. So here is one shoe. I did get the white shoe with the black or gray bottom. I guess you want to say the gray bottom. I call it the gum bottom. Some people call them see-through, but I call it the gum bottom. It did not have a specific name on it of, you know, the type of bottom or the name of the bottom of the shoe, because we didn't have any white shoes. She didn't have any white shoes. And I chose this because since we are sneakerheads, a lot of sneakers come in red. And so that was the other option, was red. And I was like, I'm gonna pass on the red. But these, I like the white and with the black gum bottom online. And these were only sold online. You could not get these in the store because I wanted to do this review on a Friday. Now this shoe came out on November 13th online at finishline.com. And there were other places that it came out, but I bought it from Finish Line. That's what I should have said. So that's where I bought these from. These shoes ran $60, which I think is a little bit expensive for a toddler shoe. Unless it's Jordan. I'm just going to be honest with you. Because I don't know how many people would just run out and buy these, because I haven't seen many reviews of them. So I think $60 is a lot of money for this shoe, and then my size is like $100. So $100 is typical for my size shoes. I didn't make a big deal about it, but I think $60 for someone who hasn't had a line of shoes come out before, I think it was a little bit pricey. Maybe $45. I think even push 50 would have been, you know, possibly a great price, but I think 60 was a little bit too much. But that's so far, that's the only downfall I had. So let's get these out of the box. I love the way this shoe looks. I like that it's simple. I think because people think that Cardi B is over the top and, you know, it's fireworks and all that with her personality and the things that she, you know, how she expresses herself. They wanted a little bit more, but I definitely can dig the simplicity of this shoe. Reebok has always kept a very simplicity or a very simple shoe, and you know, I've liked that about Reebok. So it does not actually have strings in this one. It's kind of elastic. You can see that. It's just elastic. There's no shoestrings in the inside. All right. This is a gum bottom. This is a clear gum bottom. Okay. Not a clear bottom, but a gum bottom. Okay. I like these shoes. They have the name Cardi B in the inside. Can y'all see that? It says Cardi B, which is, I think, is super cute. This was different. This is different, but I'm guessing because you have to slide them on, it helps you put it on. Cute. There is suede. This is a suede fabric here at the toe. And actually has like 3 different fabrics. So you have like a plastic here. You can see that this part is plastic. And this part with the Reebok is plastic. And then the white part is white, like a white leather of some sort. But this part is clear plastic. And then you have the gum bottom on the back. So it's a kind of a few different fabrics. But I actually like this shoe. The only thing that I think I didn't care for is that when I pulled out the paper got stuck to the toe and it got stuck to the back. But I'm guessing a little bit of we'll be able to get that out. So that's not an issue per se, but I think it's a very cute shoe. It does run big. So I'm buying my daughter size 8 shoes. She's in a 7. So the size 8s fit, but these actually kind of like flopping off her feet. So it's gonna be a while before we can get into these, maybe even in the spring. But these are flopping off her feet. Let's pull out the other shoe. I think the stitching on it is really good. I would have even liked maybe the stitching to be a gray or a black. Would have added a little pizzazz to it. But at the same token, I like the simplicity of this shoe. I like that when you see this shoe, to me, I see Cardi B. I see kind of the platform, you know, gum bottom. I see, you know, easy to put on your feet. You know, I don't know. I feel like that these shoes say Cardi B. This is the way the bottom looks. I definitely feel like these shoes say Cardi B. They definitely say Cardi B. To me, they say Cardi B. Again, the only issue I had is that they were $60. I don't think they were worth $60. I actually don't think any Reeboks are worth $60. That's just how I feel. Reebok is kind of like the underrated shoe. You know, we got Reeboks, you know, for like a, you know, one-time event. And they would wear them just, you know, for running outside shoes when I was growing up. So still to this day, Reebok don't have a whole bunch of like popping shoes that you'd be like, yes, I want that shoe. This definitely, I know they must have spent a lot of money with Cardi B. You know, pay her a lot of money to come out with the shoe for them, because a lot of people been getting picked up by Adidas, Nike, things like that. But Reebok, I definitely like this shoe. Now that I think about it, I see the gold Reebok here, and then there's the gold, you know, Reebok emblem there as well. The Reebok Classic emblem. If this stitching would have been gold, that would have been tough too. That would have been dope too. I definitely would have been like, yes. But then the way you style it would be different. You wouldn't be able to, you know, go real simple with this. And my daughter, I normally dress her like urban chic, so where she can still play around, but she's still real fly in a very girly way. So I'm a fan of these. Oh, these are a size 9. That's why, y'all. They was flopping off her feet. So excuse me when I said that they were too big. They ran big. No, they're size 9. So we got a little time to get into it, which is perfectly okay. I'm all about saving shoes or buying like used shoes that was, you know, size bigger. So that's not a big deal at all or a deal breaker for me. I do like these shoes, and I think I am going to get myself some red ones. I like them. I think they say cute. They say sassy. They say I'm Cardi B, and my husband is Offset, and my baby is Culture, and that's on period. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. What y'all think? Ow. What y'all think? Could y'all see yourself rocking these? I definitely think I could. I love sneakers. I've always been a sneakerhead. I've been a sneakerhead since I was a little girl. But I love the traditional, you know, Jordan, things like that. I like 11s, 12s, and 13s. But I definitely like a very unique shoe. I definitely like a unique shoe. That's my personality. And so this is a unique shoe. It's simple, but it's cute. It's simple enough to be like, where you get those from? These are cute. I like them. I just don't like the price. That's the only thing. I think they were a little expensive for a kid shoe. Okay. Y'all, tell me what y'all think. Please tell me what y'all think. Okay? I'm definitely digging these Cardi B's by Reebok. And I'm going to give me some. I'm going to give me some red ones. Definitely am. Yep. All right, y'all. I'm Forever Patra Denise. And y'all be sweet.